Okay, guys, we are all welcome back. Today, I'm going to talk about getting free internet access with a VPN app called Outline VPN. This app is live on Play Store, it's also on Apple Store, and those using desktops and you can all get it on your devices. From this video, you learn how to get free internet access with it. I'll be giving you the service and everything. So this is just the VPN app. Before that, let me just open the channel and show you something. Those using iOS, you people, this is what you see in the Apple Store. This is just what you see. So take note of the name of the app and go and search for it. Those using Android operating system too, just go and search for Outline. Look at the logo, you see it there, and download it. After downloading it, I'll be leaving some description. I'll be leaving a link under the description of the video. This link is a server. So this server is what you'll be copy. You copy it and paste it inside the VPN app to get free internet. When you copy it and paste, I'll show you how you connect it. So let me just copy the link here in the channel. As you can see that I've copied it. Let's see if it is in the clipboard. Okay, this is how it is. When you are copying, make sure it starts from the S. Make sure it include the SS and end at 88. Yeah, it should cover everywhere from here to there. I don't, because when I drop it in the description, it will be like part of it will mark like a link and some part of it will not be marked. So if you are copying, you are not careful, it will copy from Y to 88. When it copies that way, you post it inside the app, the VPN app. The app will tell you that it's a wrong. It should start from SS column, then you go / Y2HH. So if you are finding it difficult to copy, just follow the description. You join our Telegram group or our WhatsApp group, so we will take you through how to do that. Okay, so after copying it, just go to the store. As I said, download the app and open it. Like you can all see, when you open it, just turn on your data. And click on this plus addition sign. Click on it and paste. Just paste the link here. When you paste it, it will take you to the destination. You now see connect button here. You see the connect button. You click on connect. When it marks that has connected, you see some key in your notification bar. When you also scroll down, you see something like connected here, and the minutes. From the time you connected, it will start reading. So you see all those things. If the key shows up, that means it's successfully connected, and you start using this free internet service. You can take it to any site at all of your choice, YouTube or any where you want to browse to. But this link, it will expire every week. This link, sometimes we create some for a month, we do some for 1 day, some for 7 days. This one is for 7 days, just a week. So make sure you be on the channel, you subscribe, so that in the next 7 days. When we release a new link, you get access to it. And if you wouldn't mind to, you can join the channel. Then the next 7 days, or if you are facing any problem, we can just give you assistance in the channel or the WhatsApp group. So just follow it. In our next video, we'll be showing you more apps that you can use, more VPN apps, and how to use them for free internet. Thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for our next video. Yes.